Christopher Lance Cairns ONZM is a former New Zealand cricketer and former ODI captain who played for the New Zealand cricket team as an all-rounder. Cairns finished his Test career with a batting average of 33.53 and a bowling average of 29.40. In 2000, he was named as one of 5 Wisden Cricketers of the Year. He is son of former New Zealand cricketer Lance Cairns. He starred in both the One-Day and Test New Zealand teams, as well as the Canterbury New Zealand Domestic Championship team. After his playing career, Cairns went on to become a commentator with Sky Sport New Zealand. Cairns also played for Northland in the Hawke Cup. He had joined the Indian Cricket League and was the captain of the Chandigarh Lions till its closure in 2008. He later went on to play for Nottinghamshire in the English T20 Cup competition. Cairns was a destructive batsman who could hit sixes straight down the ground and in his earlier days was an intelligent fast-medium bowler. Since then, persistent injuries have forced him to drop his pace and rely more on his hard-to-read slower ball. With the bat, Cairns has been the author of some of New Zealand cricket's most memorable innings, including his unbeaten 102 to win the final of the 2000 ICC Knockout Trophy for New Zealand against India in Kenya and his 158 from just 172 balls in a Test against South Africa in 2004. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.